We're here at the Marriott, here in Odessa, Texas. And check out what we have here. There's some Schindlers. The question is, are they 33 or 3300 XLs? They are 3300 XLs. These are big piano. And yes, they are MRL. Let's go back up to 7. Okay. We'll switch there. Seven. Look at this. These are really nice elevators. Especially for a Marriott property right here in downtown. And actually, what a surprise that these are 3300 XLs. And thank goodness it's not 33, just a regular 33. Seems down 2 floors. Yeah, this is a big wide outdoors. I'm kind of surprised I went with 33 for this bank. Instead of usual 33. I don't think that was working. There we go. That. Let's go all the way down to 1. 4,500 pounds. That makes it a 3,300 XL. And here we're at 1. Those are nice elevators. So anyway, I guess that was gonna be it for me.